Hello, teacher. Welcome to the activity number 3, speaking practice. Well, this is me. My name is Diana Surlady Cordova. I'm from of Choco Department, specialty of Alto Baudó time. It is amazing place. This is part of my family. They are my sister. She is my beautiful mom. I am 29 years old and I am a teacher of social science. I love my profession. It's amazing. I love to teach to other person. I want to go to my next vacation to Nuki. Nuki is located in the Colombian North Pacific. It is a natural paradise. In this place, you can enjoy of different activities. I want to go on vacation this month, July or October, because the weather is tropical and permit that I can enjoy different activity ocean from. The time that I'm going to be on vacation is approximately 1 month. I'm going to stay in two places. The first place is Hotel of the Almejan. It is located ocean front. The second place is Cabin of Sultan Salomon. I'm going to visit the Utria National Park and see different animals. Also, I'm going to work for the hot spring Koki Arusi and enjoy of the typical food festival like ceviche of the piangua. You can watch, you can see, the food is delicious. I'm going to wear comfortable sandals and clothes like a short, you can see that, and sunglasses. I'm going to take more or less 2 million or 3. I consider that this destination is very inexpensive. Wow, I want to go to my next vacation with my favorite person, my mom. She's beautiful. For me, is the best person that I can invite to the next vacation, my next vacation. Thank you so much. Remember, my name is Diana Cordova. See you in the next opportunity. Bye bye.